Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing our paycheck budgeting. So we are going to be going over our first paycheck of August and we're going to be going over what bills we're going to be paying, how much money we're going to be putting in our cash envelopes, and also we're going to be stuffing our sinking funds. Now, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I would absolutely love for you guys to come and hang out with me. I do videos on Saturdays and on Tuesdays with the money challenges. So let's get right into it because this video is going to be super long and some people like long videos and some people don't. So we're going to just jump right into it. So for paycheck number 1, I budgeted $2,000. And we made $2,071. So that is a $71 increase that I budgeted. So that is how much we are going to be stuffing. And then side hustle, I budgeted $150 for the whole month, and that is for eBay and for Mercari. So this paycheck, as of right now, from eBay, we have $56, and from Mercari, we have $13. So moving on to our fixed expenses, which is pretty much all of the bills that we are going to be paying this month. Now you can see that the budget is what I budgeted out, and then the actual is how much it actually is. So for paycheck number 1, for house, we are going to be putting $218. Car will be $400. Light bill will be $50. Phone is going to be $50. Insurance is going to be $37. Chase is going to be $94. Capital One is going to be $65. And then student loans, we are going to be putting $62.63 towards that one. Now, my student loans, I did get a bill that's going to start in October, and I literally have to pay $40. I'm not sure if that is because I have been paying on it for a couple of months now, and that is our payment, because I'm supposed to be paying like $256 starting in October, but the balance as of right now for October is like $40.23 or something like that. So I'm not sure what is going on right there, but I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna keep trucking along and keep paying it down little by little before that $256 hit. So we are going to be paying $976.63 towards bills this month. Now, before we move on to the variables, I am going to be doing a P for either I paid for it or a T, which means that I transfer it towards savings, and I will transfer it back to my checking once it is time to pay it. So house, I did pay it because the last and the first paycheck of each month I do put aside, and I pay the house note with my first paycheck. Car was paid for as well. I do the same thing. Light is going to be transferred. Phone is transferred. Insurance is transferred. Chase was paid for. Capital is paid for. And student loans is paid for. I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. Okay, moving on to our cash envelopes. Okay, so as you can see down here, this is for the whole month. So we're just going to half that. So food is actually going to be getting $100, which I'm going to do this. Gas is going to be getting $140. Fund money is getting $100. Cushion is getting $300. and then savings is getting 100. And I'm just going to divide that in half. So this is going to be our first paycheck, and then put a line right here to divide it, and then we're going to do the second paycheck later on. So we're just going to add that together, which equals to $740. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and stuff that right now. So for groceries, we are going to be getting $100, 20, 40, 60, 81. Moving on to gas. Gas is going to be getting 140, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. And then fun money is going to get, it's not going to get all 20s because I might be going to do some yard sales. So we're going to do 3 20s. We're going to do a 10 and then 6 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see if that equals to 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that is going to be going towards fun money, or, you know, yard sales pretty much. And that is it for our cash envelopes. Now moving on to our sinking funds, which is one of my favorite parts. We are going to be stuffing, I believe, $220, plus we're going to be stuffing the $56 from eBay. So right now, medical is going to be getting $30. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30 as well. Vacation is $100. Dobby is getting $20. Renewals is getting $20. Christmas is getting $5. Home is getting $5. Special occasion is getting $5. And then beauty is getting $5 as well. And then for our side hustle, we have $56. Now we're just going to add all of that together. 30, 30, 100, 20, 20, 5, 5, 5, and 5, and 56. So $276. And we are going to get to stuffing. So first off, I just want to do the side hustle because I just like to get that over with. So the side hustle is going to be getting $56. 50, 5, and 6. So we're doing 56. And we're going to move all of this up. Okay, moving on, we're going to be doing medical, and medical is going to be getting $30, 20, and 30. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40, $41, and $42. So $142 is how much we are putting in medical, or the balance. Car maintenance, it's actually really toasty in here. Car maintenance is $30. And with car maintenance, since I got the new vehicle, I do have warranty, and I do get free tire rotations and oil change. So I'm kind of just building up for car maintenance, but I'm going to probably make a purchase on Amazon for some seat covers, because I have leather seats and I really don't want them messed up. So I'm probably going to use some money out of car maintenance to get some seat covers. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, and 5, 10, So $211. Which kind of sucks because I do love building this money up, but if I'm not going to spend it, then why am I saving it, you know? But yes, I am saving because of emergencies as well, though. So we are going to be putting $100 towards vacation. So those placeholders was $1,500. And we're just going to count that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So plus 55. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 plus 600. So $2,155 is how much we have for vacation, which is super exciting. We are super close to $3,000, and I need to buckle down and finish that because we have to pay our bill in the very beginning of September, our balance. So, but we still also have to figure out if we're going to stay the extra night because we don't have anything planned that day. So I'm not sure what we have, if we're going to cancel, get our money back for that. I'm not sure yet. I have to talk to Jared. So Dobby's getting $20, so 20, 40, and 41. Now with Dobby, we need to get food soon. So I think one more paycheck for another $20 will get us to food. Renewals is going to also be getting $20. 20, 40, 45, 46, and 47. And renewals, I do have a membership that I have to renew for my surgical tech. That is $80. So $40 next week I'm going to have to put in. Christmas is getting $5. 20, 25, 30, and 31. $31 for that. $31. Home is getting $5 as well. And we are going to be making our HOA payment this weekend. So 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, and 57. So 157. Moving on to special occasion. Now special occasion is also beginning $5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, and 22. Now with this money, I might use it for my brother. His birthday is in August, so I'm probably going to use that for, you know, something small or pay for his dinner or something like that. And then beauty is getting $5 as well. So 5, 6, and 7. $7. And that is it for our sinking fund. So we are going to be adding this up really quick before we end the video. 2,155 plus 41 plus 47, 31, 157, 22, 7, and 56. So we have $2,869 is how much we have in our sinking funds. So that is incredible. I'm pretty sure it's going to go a little bit lower coming up because I do have a doctor's appointment next week. I also have, I'm thinking about using the car maintenance for seat covers. And then the home, we have to pay our HOA fee. So it is going to go down a little bit, but I'll keep y'all updated. I'm not doing any weekly check-ins because I just feel like I'll keep up with it, but I don't know if y'all like it or not. So I feel like every time I do my, you know, my budget breakdown, my stuffing videos and everything, I feel like I could just update you guys on what I have spent in sinking funds. If it is lower than where we started, I don't mind doing an update like that. I think I feel better if I do that instead. But anyways, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for coming over here and enjoying this video, watching it with me, and watching us grow our money and our savings. But anyways, I love you guys, and I thank you so much for your love and support. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. All right, bye you guys.